Hello everyone, this video will see how to cancel Edreams Prime subscription. Visit Edreams website or open up and you log into your account and section related to account setting and subscription or membership. This is typically found in the profile icon setting. Within the subscription setting, locate your Edreams Prime subscription. It may be listed under a Prime membership and membership similar heading, and click on the option to manage or cancel your Edreams Prime subscription and follow instruction provided to cancel your subscription. They involve confirming your cancellation and providing a reason for cancelling. After cancelling, double check and ensure that your Edreams Prime subscription has successfully cancelled, and you may receive confirmation on your email to confirm a message, the website or app. If you found this video helpful for you, you can thank me and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content, and see you another video soon guys.